Hello everybody, this is Elias with EH Tech Support, and today I wanted to show you how to download text that you have in your Google Drive and convert it into a PDF file. It's a pretty simple process, and all you have to do is open the file that you have. In this case, I have this document that I created using Lorem Ipsum text from there. Very simple, as you can see. I'm gonna actually copy and paste it so that I have more pages in here, so you can see once I convert it. So we'll have at least 2 pages of the PDF file. So what you want to do is once you finish creating the file, you edit it out, you check the text or whatever, and you add your images or whatever you want to put in there in that PDF file. You go right over here to File, then you go to Download. In this case, you have different options depending on the type of document that you want. But in this tutorial, as I said, I did say it was going to be a PDF file. So all you have to do is click on this and then click on the PDF document. It's going to start downloading right away. As you can see at the bottom over here, it was downloaded. And pretty much you have your PDF document. The PDF, as you can see, it ends in .pdf. You have the option, if you go back, and download it as a Word document or anything that you need. But it's a pretty simple thing, and all you have to do is make sure that you have a Google account and that you log in to your Google Docs section. Signing off, this is Elias. Take care, everybody.